Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss whether r minus q with standard multiplication is a group or not. The answer is that it is not a group. No, that r minus q is not a group with respect to multiplication operation. We know that q is the set of rational numbers, that is the set of all those type of quotients where p and q are integers and q is different from 0. Therefore 1 is rational number. We can write 1 as 1 divided by 1, that is 1 and 1 both are integers. Therefore 1 is in this set of rational numbers, and because r minus q is the complement of q with respect to r, 1 is not in r minus q. That means r minus q does not contain 1, which is the identity with respect to multiplication. Therefore existence of identity property is not satisfied in this set r minus q with respect to multiplication. Therefore r minus q with respect to multiplication is not a group. Thanks for watching.